In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a back button to your Tableau dashboard. This is a fantastic way to enhance your dashboard's navigation and make it more user-friendly. So, let's dive in and get started. First things first, go ahead and open the Tableau public app on your computer. If you haven't already installed it, you'll need to do that first. It's a powerful tool for data visualization that allows you to create and share interactive dashboards with ease. Once you have the app open, the next step is to access your worksheet. This is where all your data visuals are crafted before being brought into the dashboard. You can find your worksheet by navigating through the left panel in Tableau. Make sure it's the right one you want to work with today. With your worksheet open, we're now going to switch over to your dashboard. Click on the Dashboard tab located at the bottom of your Tableau workspace. It should bring you right into your current dashboard setup. Look over your existing elements and think about where adding a back button would make sense in terms of navigation flow. Now take your attention to the left pane within the dashboard view. This area houses all the objects you can add to your dashboard. Locate the section labeled Objects. This is a crucial point because it's where you'll find the necessary tools to enhance your dashboard. Next, find the navigation object. This is the object we'll use to create our back button. Click on it, hold down your mouse button, and drag it directly onto the canvas area of your dashboard. Placing it effectively is key to ensuring your users can easily access it. Then you're going to need to make the navigation button float over your dashboard. To do this, click on the drop-down arrow in the top right corner of your navigation object and select Floating. This step allows you more flexibility in placing the back button wherever you feel it's most visible and accessible. After setting it to floating, click the drop-down arrow once more and select Edit Button. Here, you'll get options to customize the button. Select where you want it to navigate. Typically, this would be the previous page or a specific view in your dashboard that users frequently visit. Give your new button a title. This is usually something simple like Back or Return. Customize the appearance, font, or color if you want it to align with the overall look of your dashboard. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, click Apply and then OK. Finally, it's time for testing. Click on the presentation icon to view your dashboard in full mode, making sure it looks good and functions well. Then click on your new back button to test if it navigates as expected. If everything works smoothly, congratulations. You've successfully added a back button to your Tableau dashboard, improving the navigation flow for everyone using it. Great work!